Borax Salt Recipe to kill fleas. Fleas are known for plaguing dogs and cats, causing serious itching and skin irritation. If the fleas are left unchecked in a home, they will multiply and begin biting humans. Many pesticides are effective against the flea but not always safe to use around pets and people. Stick to an all-natural flea-killing recipe such as one made from borax and salt. Things you will need: vacuum cleaner, garbage bags, bucket, half a pound refined salt, half a pound borax. Vacuum every room infested with fleas. Place the vacuum cleaner bag in a sealed garbage bag and set in an outdoor trash can. Combine half a pound of refined salt and half a pound of borax in a bucket. For larger areas, simply use equal parts of salt and borax. Sprinkle a light coating of the borax/salt mixture over the floor. The fleas will crawl over the mixture, which will pierce their exoskeletons and cause death from dehydration. Wait 12 hours and vacuum up the dead fleas along with the borax/salt mixture. Immediately remove the vacuum cleaner bag and put it in a sealed garbage bag. Set the bag in an outdoor trash can. Repeat application 2 weeks later to kill any new fleas hatching from eggs that were not harmed by the borax/salt mixture. Tips: Warnings. Treat your pet and its bedding at the same time as you treat the flooring. Your pet can be treated with a little dish soap and water, which must remain on your pet for 5 minutes so it can kill all of the fleas. Use your washing machine to wash the bedding in hot, soapy water.